What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple scrub that will help you in removing all of your stretch marks, okay? And you are going to be loving it because it's just going to also smoothen your skin. So it's something you can also apply all over your body, and you scrub off the dead skin cells. When you concentrate on the parts in which you have stretch mark, it's just going to increase the circulation of blood around there, and gradually the stretch mark is going to go. Okay, so know that there are some stretch mark that has been on the skin for so many years, and there are some that are just new. There are some that will just quickly go, and there are some that will not go easily. Okay, so if you want to know what all of this comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that, be it personal, curious, or beauty questions. Do that on my website and follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's dive into this video. Now the first ingredients we're going to be needing for this stretch mark remedy is going to be coffee. Alright guys, so coffee helps so much in getting rid of varicose veins. It got rid of dark under eye, and it's also get rid of stretch mark when scrubbed with this other natural remedy that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, it will effectively and gradually reduce the appearances of stretch mark. For stretch mark, this is actually going to be a scrub. Now I'm going to be turning in the coffee. Okay, so we're going to be needing about 1 teaspoon of coffee, and the next one we're going to be needing is some toothpaste. Okay, so we're going to be needing some white toothpaste. If you don't have Colgate, you have to make use of a white toothpaste. It will be okay. Alright, because toothpaste help to eradicate pimples on the skin, dark spots. It also helps to remove wrinkles, so it will therefore help in tightening up the skin, therefore getting rid of pressing in the toothpaste. Okay, so you have to press in a good amount of toothpaste so it can actually go round. And also we're going to be making use of oil, and this is vitamin E capsule. Now you can also use vitamin E oil, it's still preferably and still okay. Alright, now because vitamin E oil is very great on the skin, it therefore goes deep into the pores, get rid of stretchy skin, it get rid of saggy skin, it remove pigments, and it also aid in increasing the skin elasticity. And also we're going to be putting in a little bit of oil. Okay, just 1 capsule of this vitamin E is going to do the job now, so it can retain moisture and increase the skin elasticity. Okay, and we're going to be making use of lemon too. Lemon is essential for the skin. It's citric in nature, it contains vitamin C, and it also helps so much for scrubbing out dead skin cells, increasing the skin elasticity, because it also contains nutrients. That now for us to press in the lemon, I'll have to cut the lemon obviously. Okay, so we can get the juice from the lemon. So I'm going to be pressing in some drops of lemon, not too much so it doesn't make it watery. Okay, so now we'll have to mix this all up. So you mix it very well so that the coffee alongside with the toothpaste can mix really fine. Okay. Looking like this. Okay, and that is actually fine. Now how you're going to apply this scrub, this is actually a scrub, not a lotion, not a cream for stretch mark. It is actually going to help so much. Now how you're going to apply this, if you have a stretch mark somewhere here, okay, so you would apply enough of this scrub on that particular part where you have the stretch mark. Okay, so if you have it on your butt, you rub it there and then you scrub. Now you have to scrub really hard and really well. Okay, except you don't scrub your face this hard, guys, but if it's on your body and all of that, so you have to scrub really hard. The little particles that is in the coffee is going to help you scrub this very well until it becomes really smooth. Okay, so you can see how it is. So you scrub really well. Now that is actually going to increase the circulation of blood around that part, therefore helping you increase your skin elasticity, and it's also going to get rid of all of the stretch marks, and your skin is going to begin to glow and be beautiful. Okay, and the stretch mark is going to be gone. So after you scrub this, you can leave it on that place for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, okay, so it's gonna get into your skin, and it's also, if you have veins like those green veins around there, it's also going to help you in getting rid of it. Okay, so you leave it there for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's actually going to dry up a little bit, not completely, because of the vitamin E capsule in it. Okay, and after that, then you can go wash it off with a normal water. Okay, so for this treatment, if you can actually store it, it's going to be very okay, because it's something that you should scrub every day before you apply your stretch mark cream. I did a stretch mark cream last week, and then you can actually use that to apply immediately you're done scrubbing your stretch mark area with this scrub. Okay, so you have to use this consistently every day. Okay, you scrub it once in a day, all right, or if you can, you should scrub it twice in a day. You'll be surprised what this is just going to do to your stretch mark, because I tell you, it's going to get rid of all of the stretch marks, like seriously, guys. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the almighty stretch mark remedy that would eradicate all stretch mark, that would leave your skin smooth, that would make your skin very glowing. Okay, so if you use this, you are gonna be happy that you did. You're gonna be thanking me later, but you have to give it a little time for you to work. Okay, alright, so if you did love the video, please share this video and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye guys.